old peso banknotes will remain legally tenders only until the end of this year. By 2016, they will be demonetized and will be honored only in banks. Julius de Samboron reports.
The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas urges Filipinos to better start exchanging old banknotes with new ones. In an interview over Radyo Vision, BSP Deputy Governor Diwa Gonigundo said the BSP will start demonetizing the old money at the start of 2015. As defined by Gonigundo, demonetization is the process of removing the monetary value of a legal tender currency.
Tinatadhana po sa ating batas na maaaring magpalit ng disenyo ang Bangko Sentral actually every 5 years. No? At ito ay nangangailangan ng significant changes or adjustments sa design ng ating salaping papel. Kaya nagkaroon ng desisyon ang Monetary Board ng Bangko Sentral at ito'y pinagtibay ng ating presidente na palitan na ang disenyo. Gumaling na rin yung mga namemeke ng ating salaping papel. Kaya panahon na para ito ay tapusin at i-introduce naman natin yung ating bagong disenyo ng ating salaping papel.
Gonigundo clarified that the public can still use this old money to buy any products or pay for any bills. But starting January 1 to December 31, 2016, the public can exchange the notes with financial institutions, universal, commercial, thrift, rural and cooperative banks and BSP's branches across the country at face value and without charge. Because starting January 1, 2017, all banknotes that have not been exchanged shall no longer have any monetary value.
May dalawa po exception yan. Una exception, mga OFWs po natin, yung ating po mga kababayan, mga bagong bayani. Pagdating po ng Oktubre hanggang Disyembre 2016, meron po silang pagkakataon na manghingi ng exception sa Bangko Sentral. Dahil nasa ibang bansa sila, magla-log on lang sila doon po sa website ng Bangko Sentral at sasabihin nila yung pangalan nila, address nila, contact numbers, at kung magkano yung kanilang gustong palitan.
Okay.
Yung pangalawang exception po, yung pong mga pera na nakuha at nahuli ng Bangko Sentral, halimbawa, sa mga raid nito. At ito ay ginamit bilang ebidensya sa court.
In December 2010, the BSP issued new banknotes called New Generation Currency, which have new and enhanced security features to protect the public from counterfeit or fake money. As of November last year, the BSP official said that there are 729 million pieces of old banknotes worth about 192 billion pesos is still in circulation, which means 25% of the total volume of banknotes in circulation.
Pag tinignan po natin yung watermark, yung po sa bandang kanan, bandang ibaba ng ating salapi, yung po ay tinatawag nating pixelized watermark. Yan po ay nandoon po yung 20 o yung 50, yung numero. Pangalawa, meron po mga dots yan, yung mga tuldok-tuldok around the portrait. Karamihan po kasi ng ating mga namemeke, ikukula po yung mga lower denomination, yung 20 at saka 50. Pagkatapos, they have the security paper. Kasi, ano yun, tunay na papel yun eh. Saka i-imprentahan ng 100, 500, to kaya 1,000.
The BSP official added, economy of the Philippines continues to uptrend just because of the reforms made by the government. For the People's Television Network, this is Julius de Samboron reporting.